Okay, so what we got here is a Johnsford VMC 816. As you can see, it's got a Fanuc 0M control on it. One of the most dependable controls that is built. And we're just going to run it through. We're going to home it real quick, and then we'll do a part program. You can see the table's in good condition. Vices go with it or not? No vices will go with it. So what you see on the table will not be there. You just have a table, but I don't see any seriously bad oopses. I see one little one there, but you're looking at a pretty clean machine. Okay, go ahead and zero her. Here, the servos sound pretty good. That was the X-axis moving there. And now we'll get a Y-axis movement here as soon as this finishes zeroing out.
That's what we get.
Okay, so the customer does have a problem with it on occasion. The servo doesn't sound bad, but it is getting a Y-axis over travel alarm, and it doesn't seem to happen every time, but it does happen. So that's something will need to be repaired.